Where'd the gang get? I spy with my little eye.
It's like a commercial.
What's up over there? Yo, this guy's fucked up. What way's the wind going?
I don't know, it's hard to tell. We're like about to get some sunshine. We had that earlier when we were riding.
Cause I hope that shit doesn't come this way. Cause it looks.
That shit came from over there.
Oh yeah.
Recording.
Yeah. This shit always gonna be on, bruh. Until I catch you falling again. I'm just fucking with you. What's up, OG, triple OG? Oh, they're going at it. Yo, is that Volkswagen dusting him? He's gone.
Hey, we're gonna cut. Hey, Ryan.
About a Hellcat? Oh, dude, I want to race a Hellcat so bad.
There's some dad in there. Smoking, you know that, right?
Huh?
You'd smoke it.
No, I know. I just want to because when I first got my bike, they put a limit.
Fucking demoralized.
They put a limiter on it. I couldn't go past 6,000 RPMs when I first got my bike. And the first day I get on the highway, a Hellcat pulls up. It maxed out at like 100 miles per hour. He probably felt good.
What do you have to do?
Once you put 600 miles on it, you could like unlock it. You go.
It's the break-in.
Yeah, it's a break-in period.
You fuck all slow.
Dude, I was so mad. So now I want my revenge. This is my secret spot. I put that bench up there 3 years ago.
That one over there too? Hey, did you guys lock your doors?
Rain ruined the party. Rain, rain, go away. At least it smells good. It smells fresh. Toodaloo, boys. It's been an honor.